You remember I got the Soundstream T5 10-inch sub in here, and I couldn't find a grill to fit it. And then I found one that was kind of cool, looked like it would fit, but it doesn't quite fit over top of this, so I'm going to have to modify it. So this is the grill. I thought it was kind of interesting. Problem is, it's supposed to fit around the subwoofer, and it doesn't. So I think if I trim these little edges off here on all four corners, it'll actually fit, because that's where it seems to be hitting. But then I need to take some of that black ABS plastic that I have and make a spacer so it sticks out a little bit further, because that big surround on that subwoofer comes up and almost touches this. So when I have it cranked, it would hit the grill. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing or not. Get some safety glasses or somebody will yell at me. I get to use my new Dremel tool. Alright, I was able to get those cut off of there, and I went ahead and took a grinder. I used a full-size grinder to kind of round the corners over. That new Dremel tool that I got came with a pack of like these generic little cutoff wheels, and to cut off one of these tabs, it took 2.5 of these little wheels just to cut off one of these tabs. But the actual Dremel brand, I was able to cut off 2 tabs with 1 wheel. What I'm going to do now is make a spacer for this. I went and tested it, and it does fit over the subwoofer now. And what I'm going to do is use some of this spare plastic that I have and basically trace it here and make a spacer and see if that would be enough. There, now we have a speaker grill. Not the greatest work I've ever done, but pretty good for just rushing in the cold. So, I hope you guys like these little short videos. I enjoy making these because there's not really any, preparation time or anything. Just take out the camera and start filming and stuff. If you do, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple different videos. Got all kinds of different stuff in there. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.